Hello guys, it's me Lindsay here and welcome back to the channel. So on today's video, I'm going to share with you really quickly how you can make money online with no investment. Now this is something that I did when I first got started online. This is one of the strategies that I had used with a particular internet marketing company that I was promoting at the time. And at that time I really had a really tight budget in order to build my business. So I used this strategy, and it's a strategy that I still use to this day actually, on how I was able to, to get signups and to get sales using this strategy. So what I want to share with you really quickly are the few steps that you need to take. You can do this using your Facebook profile, guys, okay? That's how powerful this is. So again, if you're on a tight budget and you're just wanting to get started and start generating your first commissions online, this is going to be a great video for you. So on this channel, guys, I do share videos on how you can make money online, how to make money with affiliate marketing, as well as personal development type videos. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video and hit that subscribe button so that way you can get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's go ahead and let's dive into the content, and let me show you really quickly how you can start generating your first commissions online and how to make money online pretty much, guys, okay? So let's dive into the content. Okay, guys, so right now we're looking at my Facebook. So again, with this strategy, I want to quickly share with you how you can leverage your Facebook in order to generate your first commissions. Now, like how I said on this channel, I really share with you guys how you can make money with affiliate marketing. So with this example, I'm going to share with you how you can make money with affiliate marketing in the internet marketing niche or the make money online niche. Now, if you're in the beauty niche or in the Sephora, if you're in the beauty niche or the health and fitness niche, then you can still kind of follow along the same strategies or whatever else. But this is going to be primarily if you want to make in the make money online internet marketing niche, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is, if you're going to be leveraging your Facebook, like I'm showing you guys in this example, to make your first commissions, the first thing you need to make sure is that you have your audience in place, okay? So if you are brand new to the online marketing space and you're trying to make commissions, more than likely the people that you're currently connected with on your Facebook are not going to be people inside of your niche, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to start building up your Facebook and rebuilding up your friends list. Now you can create another Facebook account in order to do this. You can do that as well. Or you can just start leveraging your current Facebook account, but again, just start changing out your audience of people. So you may have to start deleting people who don't interact with you that often and start adding people who would be interested in the internet marketing or the make money online niche. So typically those people are going to be people who are self-employed, people who are in network marketing, people who do affiliate marketing, okay? So how do you find that audience of people? So what you want to do is you want to come here to the Facebook graph search, and what I would do is put in people who are self-employed into the search bar. So now this comes up. So what I want to do is I want to click on people, and as you guys can see here, they're going to give me a list of people who have listed their job or their occupation as self-employed, okay? You can do that route, or you can think about affiliate marketing. So let's do affiliate marketing. And again, if we choose the people option, we're going to start seeing a list of people who are who have affiliate marketing listed as their occupation. Same thing with network marketers. So let's say like Rodan and Fields, right? So we put in Rodan and Fields, or you put in Avon, Mary Kay, or whatever else, you're going to start seeing people who have that listed as their occupation. So these are the type of people that you want to add to your friends list, because these are people who already understand the whole concept of making money online, leveraging the internet, and these are the people that you want to be surrounded with on your Facebook, okay? So what you want to do is you want to start adding people to your friends list. Now you want to do at least maybe about 40 people per day, and what you want to do is, you want to start adding at least about 40 people per day and start building up your Facebook like this, okay? Now, you want to make sure that you kind of don't go too overboard with this at one time and just start adding a bunch of people at the same time, because Facebook will give you a slap on the wrist and let you know that you're adding too many people too fast, and they may block you from adding people for maybe a few days or something like that, okay? So you want to be mindful of that. But the first thing, again, what you want to do is you want to start building up your audience of people. Now, if you're watching this right now and you're already in affiliate marketing, or you have already, do in the make money online niche or whatever else, then you probably already have your audience in place. So this is what you can do in order to start generating your first commissions. So the next thing that you need to do is come over here to warriorplus.com. Okay, it's free to create an account here, and what they do is they offer courses on here, products on here, primarily in the make money online niche, that you can actually become an affiliate for, promote those products and earn commissions. Okay, so again, you want to make sure you come to this website, create an account, and then what you want to do is you want to start finding products that you can promote. So if we're going to be on Facebook, one way that you can actually find products to promote is find products that are related to Facebook, right? So when people come onto Facebook to build their business, typically they're using Facebook to generate traffic for their business. So a good product that you can maybe find over here is a way for somebody to learn how to generate leads from Facebook. Okay, so once we're on Warrior Plus, you want to come over here to Marketplace, come to Home. And once we're over here, let's put in the keyword Facebook, okay? And let's do a quick search. Okay, so now we're seeing a list of products right here of different Facebook products. You have like Facebook group traffic bot, group profits, you have Facebook ads, you have quite a few products here, okay? So right here we have a product, it's called a Facebook leads machine. So if I click on this product, it's going to bring me to the sales page for this product. So what you want to do is, if you see something that kind of catches your eye, you want to click on it and you want to open up the sales page, okay? Kind of see what the product is about and see if it's something that you want to promote, okay? So right now we're looking at this product and it's showing us, you know, how you can actually generate, this product is going to show us how we can actually generate 50 plus leads from one post, you know, using this software, okay? So if I look at this page, this is going to be something that I really feel that people can get you know, some information from and a lot of value from, because if they're already on Facebook, one thing that they could be struggling with their business is how to generate leads with Facebook, okay? So now that I have my audience of people who are in affiliate marketing, network marketing, things like that, now I want to present them something that's going to show them how to generate leads from Facebook, the platform they're already on, right? So if this product looks good to me, what I want to do is I want to apply to become an affiliate for this product through Warrior Plus, okay? Now make sure that when you are applying for your affiliate link, make sure that you include your the link to your Facebook profile, a link to your YouTube channel, or whatever else. But primarily in this example, you want to link to your Facebook profile. Let them know that you have low sales on Warrior Plus because you're just getting started. Let them know that you will be using Facebook in order to generate leads to get sales for this product, okay? And again, you want to make sure that you include your Facebook link when you are requesting the link, so that way they know that you are a real person. If you don't include any of that information, then they probably won't approve you to become an affiliate, okay? So you want to make sure that you do that. Now that you have been approved for this product, now this is what you can do. So you have your audience in place on Facebook. You've been building out your friends list, okay? Now you have the product that you have been approved for, and the next thing that you want to do is you want to create posts that's going to create engagement, and that's how you're going to generate leads, okay? So a prime example of this is right here. So I put right here, free training, how to use free Facebook marketing strategies to earn big ticket sales for your business, okay? Comment me or PM me for the link below. And as you guys can see here, I have all these comments up right here of people who are saying me. So these are all leads, right? So now all I have to do is just send them a private message, and then I can send them the link to the Warrior Plus product that I have just chosen. I will send them the link to that product, and if they want to, you know, purchase the product, they can purchase the product. It's just that simple, guys. This is something this really, really simple. You can actually generate your first commissions, with affiliate marketing or in the make money online niche. Now, let's say like if you are in the beauty niche and you like you want to sell makeup products or whatever else, then you can become an affiliate for like Ulta, Sephora, or something like that. And what you would do is, again, you would come over here to Facebook, start building your audience of people who like Ulta, who like Sephora, who like Kylie Jenner products, and things like that. Start adding those people onto your Facebook. And then once you have become an affiliate and you got your affiliate link for Sephora or Ulta, what you do is you come back over here and you create a post. Like, who wants to know about a new moisturizer that will, help you to overcome dry skin in the next, 48 hours or whatever it is, right? And just comment me below. So you're going to have a whole list of people who are going to leave a comment saying me, and then you're going to reach out to those people and give them the link to your product. It's just that simple, guys, right? So another example of this, right? So like again, I'm in the make money online niche, the internet marketing niche. So something that's really popular that people want to know about is how to make money with ClickBank, right? So let's say you're watching this right now and you're wondering like, okay, well, Lindsay, I don't have my own results to leverage, I don't have my own results with a particular product in order to promote it. You can leverage the results of other people in order to still generate leads, okay? So that's what I did on this post here. So this is a post right here. So right here, I put in here, people are cranking out ClickBank sales with ease using this system. Some of them are making their first sales ever online. If you want the details, comment ClickBank Cash below or PM me. So right now, I'm showing the results of somebody else who is using the same system, who had like who got like 19 sales with this system, okay? So look at all the comments that I had got for people who want to know about the ClickBank Cash, right? So all I did was I sent them a private message, and I sent them to the link for the system in order to learn more about the system, and I generated sales from this post. That's how you're going to be able to earn your first commissions with no investment with, affiliate marketing and make money online niche. And again, whatever niche that you're in, you can still follow this same process. Again, you want to make sure you find your audience, get your affiliate link, and then you want to create a viral post where you don't include your link in the post. You're going to tell people, you're going to give people like either a proof, like a social proof shot. So like right here, this is like what we consider social proof, where you just say like, well, hey, I earned 19 sales from this ClickBank product, and if you guys want to know more about it, comment me below. And for every person that comments, you're generating leads. 1, 2, you already have people who are very interested in whatever it is that you're trying to promote right here, and you can generate sales and leads and sales from these type of posts. Okay, guys, it's really just that simple, guys. It's really just that simple. And again, you can do this right off your Facebook profile. Even if you don't have any money to get started with, you can get started with this, and this is one of the fastest ways to actually start generating leads and sales for your business, okay? Now, I do want to tell you this, guys. You want to make sure that you're doing this consistently. This is where most people fall off, right? So when they're trying to build up their friends list, they'll probably add 10 people, and then they'll fall off. You have to make sure that you're adding new people every single day. You want to start to aim to max out your friends list, okay? You want to aim to max out 5,000 people on your friends list. The more people you have on your friends list, that means more eyeballs are on your content and more people who will actually, leave a comment and where you can send them a link and everything else. So you want to make sure that you're doing this consistently, okay? And it's the same thing with this. Like sometimes you may make a post like this and maybe 2 people might comment. But then the next day you make another similar post and then you'll have 15 people that comment, right? So you want to make sure that you're doing this every single day. And again, this is what I did in the beginning in order to generate sales for an online network marketing business that I was promoting, and I was able to actually hit the leaderboard with this particular program because of the same strategy. And as you guys can see here, I'm currently doing this now inside of my business, right? It's 2019 and I'm currently still doing the same thing that I'm just sharing with you all inside of this video, guys, okay? So hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you want to know more about how you can actually leverage strategies like this, like how to use Facebook and other strategies to generate traffic and leads for your business, I'm going to include a link below in the description below. Also, I'm going to include a link to my Facebook group. You can also join my Facebook group. I talk about affiliate marketing there as well and how to make money online and additional strategies. So you make sure you join that group as well. And if you like this video, make sure you leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and also let me know if you got value from this video. Comment below, let me know below, and I will see you guys on the next video.